Hello dear friends, welcome to PharmaGrid. So from this session onwards, we are going to discuss about pharmaceutical calculations. Okay, so let's start with some simple questions. Question number 1. One aspirin tablet contains 500 milligram of drug. How many tablets need to be crushed to produce a 200 ml suspension of aspirin containing 500 milligram per 10 ml dose? So in the question they have given that one aspirin tablet contains 500 milligram of the drug. Okay, so we need to prepare 200 ml of suspension of aspirin. What is the strength of that 200 ml suspension? It should be 500 milligram per 10 ml dose. Okay, so let's discuss the solution. Let's divide it as step 1 and step 2. So first one is step 1. Okay, so first of all we need to calculate the amount of aspirin in 200 ml mixture. So in the question they have given that we need to prepare 500 milligram per 10 ml dose. So that is 500 milligram of aspirin is present in 10 ml dose. Okay, so 500 milligram aspirin is present in 10 ml dose. So we need to find out the amount of aspirin present in 200 ml. Okay, 200 ml. So let the amount of aspirin present in 200 ml be x milligram. Okay, x milligram. So in order to find out the x, simple cross multiplying. Okay, so therefore x is equal to 200 ml into 500 milligram divided by 10 ml. That is equal to 10,000 milligram. 10,000 milligram means 10 gram. How to convert milligram to gram? Divide by 1000. Okay, so now move on to the next step. Next step means we need to find out the number of tablets required. Okay, number of tablets required to produce the 200 ml suspension. So in the question they have given that one aspirin tablet contains 500 milligram of the drug. Okay, so 500 milligram is present in one tablet. So we need to find out the number of tablets present in 10,000 milligram. Okay, so 10,000 milligram, let it be y number of tablets. So therefore y is equal to simple cross multiplying. We will get 10,000 milligram into one tablet divided by 500 milligram, that is equal to 20 tablets. So here the correct answer is option A, that is 20. Next question. A formula for preparing 30 capsules of Sulindac, which is an anti-inflammatory agent, requires 6 grams of drug. So what is the dose of Sulindac in milligram per capsule? So in the question they have given a formula for preparing 30 capsules. Okay, for preparing 30 capsules we require 6 grams of the drug. 6 grams means 6000 milligram of drug. We need to find out the dose of Sulindac in milligram per capsule. Okay, so let's discuss the solution. So 30 capsules contain 6000 milligram of the drug. So we need to find out the dose in one capsule. Let it be x milligram. Therefore x is equal to 6000 milligram into one capsule divided by 30 capsules. That is equal to 200 milligram Sulindac. So here the correct answer is option B, that is 200 milligram. This is simple arithmetic equation or simple arithmetic calculation. Question number 3. A pharmacist on 3 separate occasions dispenses 260 mg, 420 mg and 630 mg of morphine hydrochloride powder. How much is remaining if the bottle originally contained 5 grams? So in the question they have given that the dispensed quantity by the pharmacist on different occasions and the original quantity. So we need to find out the remaining quantity in the bottle. Okay, so let's see the answer. First of all, we need to find out the total amount of morphine hydrochloride dispensed, that is equal to 260 milligram plus 420 milligram plus 630 milligram. So total will be equal to 1310 milligram or 1.31 gram. Then we need to find out the remaining drug. How we will calculate the remaining drug? Original quantity they have given, it is 5 gram. So now the dispensed quantity we got it as 1.31 gram. Therefore the remaining drug will be initial or the original quantity minus the dispensed quantity. So that will be equal to 5 gram minus 1.31 gram, that is equal to 3.69 gram. So here the correct option will be D. Okay, that is 3.69 gram will be the correct answer. Question number 4. How many liter of chlorhexidine gluconate solution are needed to fill 65 bottles, each containing 95 ml of the solution? So in the question what they have given, one bottle contains 95 ml of the solution. We need to prepare or we need to fill 65 bottles. Okay, so what is the volume in liter of chlorhexidine solution required to fill the 65 bottles? Okay, so let's discuss the answer. 95 ml is present in one bottle. Okay, so the volume in liter of chlorhexidine gluconate solution needed to fill 65 bottles, let it be xml. Okay, so the xml is present in 65 bottles. Therefore, how to calculate x? By symbol cross multiplying. Okay, so in order to find out the x is equal to 95 ml into 65 bottles divided by 1 bottle. That is equal to 6175 ml. In the question they have asked in liter. Okay, liter of chlorhexidine gluconate solution required. So the units are very important in calculation. So need to express the answer in liter. So 6175 ml means 6.175 liter or 6.18 liter. So here the correct answer is option D. Question number 5. If you have 20 gram of tetracycline hydrochloride powder, how many 250 milligram tablets you can prepare? So from the question it is understood that one tablet contains 250 milligram. Okay, one tablet contains 250 milligram of tetracycline hydrochloride powder. We have 20 gram of tetracycline hydrochloride powder. So how many tablets we can prepare with this quantity? Okay, so now let's see the answer. So 250 milligram tetracycline hydrochloride is present in one tablet. Okay, so 20 gram means 20,000 milligram tetracycline hydrochloride powder in X number of tablets. Okay, let the number of tablets we can prepare be X. So therefore X is equal to, simple cross multiplying, we will get 20,000 milligram into one tablet divided by 250 milligram. That is equal to 80 tablets. Okay, so we can prepare 80 tablets of 250 milligram tetracycline hydrochloride with 20 gram of tetracycline hydrochloride powder. So while doing this type of calculations, all the units should be same. Either all units should be in gram or either should be in milligram, or convert accordingly. Okay, so with this question, we have completed today's calculation series. If you have any doubts, you can post in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.